Ever notice your baby hiccuping again and again? Most newborns get hiccups several times a day. It's completely normal. It happens when the diaphragm, the breathing muscle, contracts involuntarily. Their diaphragm and nervous system are still immature, especially in the first months. Feeding too fast or swallowing air can trigger hiccups more easily. Burp your baby often and keep them upright for a few minutes after feeding. If hiccups last over 1 hour or interfere with feeding or sleep, consult your pediatrician. Frequent hiccups alone are not a disease, they're just part of normal baby development. Subscribe for more baby care insights and gentle parenting tips.